Have you ever dreamed? Dreamed of stepping into a world where beauty meets history at every corner? Where the streets tell stories of empires past and art comes alive in every building? Welcome to Italy, a country so rich in culture, history, and jaw-dropping landscapes that it feels like a dream come to life. In today's video, we're going to explore the beauty of Italy, from the sun-kissed coastlines to the snow-capped Alps, from centuries-old ruins to vibrant modern cities. Italy offers a visual feast that leaves you wanting more. I've picked 10 of the most beautiful places in Italy, places that will make you fall in love with this country. Whether you're planning a visit or just dreaming from afar, trust me, this is one journey you won't want to miss. So sit back, relax, and let's take a tour of one of the most magical places on Earth. Italy is a country that doesn't just fill the pages of travel guides or history books. It's a place that captures the heart and soul of anyone who visits. Stretching from the snow-capped Alps in the north to the sun-drenched islands of Sicily and Sardinia in the south, Italy has a range of landscapes that few countries can boast of. But it's not just nature that Italy offers. It's also a treasure trove of art, history, culture, and food. It's where Renaissance masterpieces still hang in museums, where Roman ruins stand as monuments to a powerful past, and where every meal is a celebration of flavor and tradition. Whether you're wandering through cobblestone streets, relaxing along the coast, or admiring the Tuscan countryside, Italy is a place that invites you to live in the moment and fall in love with its beauty. Our first stop is Rome, La Città Eterna, or the Eternal City. With over 2,500 years of history, Rome is a place where ancient wonders blend seamlessly with modern life. From the awe-inspiring Colosseum, where gladiators once fought before crowds of 80,000, to the vibrant streets lined with Renaissance palaces and cafes, every corner tells a story. The Colosseum is just the beginning. Rome is a living testament to the ingenuity and grandeur of the Roman Empire. Next, we head to Vatican City, the world's smallest country and the center of Catholicism. Here you'll find St. Peter's Basilica, home to the towering St. Peter's Dome, and the stunning Sistine Chapel with Michelangelo's iconic frescoes. Just a short walk away, the Trevi Fountain invites visitors to toss a coin and make a wish. Legend has it that doing so guarantees your return to this unforgettable city. Rome isn't just about monuments. It's about the vibrant atmosphere that surrounds them. From the charming Trastevere neighborhood with its narrow streets and cozy trattorias to the impressive Pantheon, one of the best preserved buildings of ancient Rome, every step through the city feels like a journey through time. In Rome, history isn't just something you learn about, it's something you experience. Next up, Florence, Firenze, a city that gave birth to the Renaissance and forever changed the course of history. As you wander through its cobbled streets, you're immersed in a living museum, where masterpieces by Michelangelo, Botticelli, and Leonardo da Vinci await. The iconic David, towering at 17 feet, isn't just a statue, it's a symbol of human potential, crafted from marble with astonishing detail. No visit to Florence would be complete without stepping into the Uffizi Gallery, where you'll encounter legendary works like Botticelli's The Birth of Venus and Da Vinci's Annunciation. These masterpieces offer a glimpse into the genius of the Renaissance, a time when art, science, and philosophy converged to reshape the world. And of course, the Duomo. Climbing to the top of this architectural marvel, designed by Filippo Brunelleschi, rewards you with one of the most breathtaking views in Europe. Florence's terracotta rooftops stretch out before you, framed by the Tuscan hills in the distance. From art to architecture, food to culture, Florence is a city that continues to inspire and captivate anyone who steps into its timeless beauty. A city unlike any other, Venice is a place where the streets are made of water, and the rhythm of life follows the ebb and flow of its canals. Known as the City of Canals, Venice is an architectural masterpiece built on over 100 small islands, connected by a labyrinth of waterways and footbridges. As you wander through the narrow, winding alleys and cross charming stone bridges, it's easy to feel like you've stepped back in time. The sound of water lapping against the sides of gondolas and the distant hum of footsteps on cobblestones create an atmosphere of serenity, making it the perfect destination for those seeking both beauty and solitude. One of the most iconic experiences in Venice is taking a romantic gondola ride. As you glide through the canals, the gondolier serenades you with songs or simply offers a quiet reflection of the city's enchanting architecture. From the intricate carvings of the Rialto Bridge to the majestic beauty of the Doge's Palace, you'll see Venice from a unique perspective, passing under centuries-old arches and along pathways that have been traveled for generations. Venice's landmarks are not just architectural wonders. They're living pieces of history, each telling its own story of art, culture, and power from the days of the Venetian Republic. If you're looking for breathtaking coastal beauty, the Amalfi Coast is an absolute must-visit. This UNESCO World Heritage Site stretches along the southern edge of Italy's Sorrentine Peninsula, where colorful villages cling to dramatic cliffs and crystal-clear waters. The picturesque town of Positano, with its cascading pastel buildings, narrow streets, and stunning sea views, is a highlight, offering a perfect mix of relaxation and adventure. You can wander through charming boutiques, enjoy a seaside meal, or simply take in the breathtaking landscape. Further along the coast, you'll find the stunning views of Ravello and the historic charm of Amalfi, each offering its own slice of paradise. For those seeking more adventure, a boat ride to the island of Capri is unforgettable, where dramatic cliffs and the famous Blue Grotto await. Whether exploring the island's rugged terrain, enjoying a cafe with panoramic views, or savoring fresh seafood along the coast, the Amalfi Coast captures the essence of Mediterranean charm. With its natural beauty, vibrant villages, and rich history, it's truly a paradise on earth, offering something for every traveler. Cinque Terre is a collection of 5 picturesque villages along Italy's Ligurian coast, offering some of the country's most iconic views. Nestled between dramatic cliffs and the sparkling Mediterranean, each village, Monterosso, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Rio Maggiore, boasts colorful houses, narrow streets, and stunning coastal vistas. The contrast of vibrant buildings against the deep blue sea creates a scene straight out of a postcard. One of the best ways to explore Cinque Terre is by hiking the cliffside trails that link the villages, offering breathtaking views of the coastline and terraced vineyards. After a day of adventure, treat yourself to the region's famous seafood, freshly caught from the Mediterranean. Whether it's anchovies, seafood pasta, or grilled fish, the flavors here are as fresh as the sea itself. Cinque Terre is a magical blend of natural beauty, history, and unforgettable experiences, making it a must-see destination. Tuscany. If you've ever dreamed of the perfect Italian countryside, this is it. Picture rolling hills, their slopes dotted with endless vineyards and olive groves, medieval hill towns perched high above the landscape, and rustic villas that seem frozen in time. The region is like a living postcard where every corner tells a story of centuries-old tradition. One of the most iconic spots is San Gimignano, often called the Town of Fine Towers, where 14 medieval towers still stand, offering panoramic views of the surrounding vineyards and farmland. It's a place where history and beauty blend seamlessly into one another. Tuscany isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's also a culinary paradise. The Chianti region, famous for its wine, invites you to savor some of the world's finest reds right in the heart of the vineyards. Tuscany's cuisine, rooted in simple yet rich ingredients, will tempt your taste buds with delicacies like ribollita, papa al pomodoro, and the legendary bistecca alla fiorentina. Whether you're exploring the hilltop villages of Volterra and Cortona, or strolling through the olive-lined paths of the Val d'Orcia, Tuscany offers an unforgettable escape into a world of natural beauty, art, history, and of course, the finest Italian flavors. For a taste of luxury, Lake Como is the ultimate destination. Surrounded by the towering Alps, this stunning lake is framed by lush hillsides and dotted with elegant villas and gardens. Historic estates like the Via del Balbianello, set against the crystal-clear waters, create a perfect blend of natural beauty and architectural grandeur. Known for its celebrity residents from George Clooney to Madonna, Lake Como exudes glamour and tranquility. But it's not just about luxury. This is a place to unwind and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. The picturesque towns of Bellagio and Varenna offer cobblestone streets, charming cafes, and breathtaking views. Whether you're sipping coffee by the lake or hiking up for panoramic vistas, Lake Como invites you to relax and indulge in a serene escape where nature and elegance meet. Sicily is a land of contrasts, where ancient history meets breathtaking landscapes. From the awe-inspiring Greek ruins of Valle dei Templi to the vibrant markets of Palermo, every corner of the island tells a unique story. Majestic volcanoes like Mount Etna, Europe's most active, tower over the landscape, offering stunning views and the thrill of volcanic activity. The island's rich past is woven from diverse influences, including the Phoenicians, Romans, Arabs, and Normans, creating a cultural tapestry that's unlike anywhere else. But Sicily isn't just about history. It's also about experiencing raw, natural beauty. Whether you're exploring the sun-kissed beaches of San Vito lo Capo, hiking the craggy hills around Mount Etna, or wandering the narrow, colorful streets of Catania, the island offers something for every traveler. With its dramatic landscapes, historic sites, and mouth-watering cuisine, Sicily is a must-see for anyone seeking an unforgettable blend of culture, history, and nature. Naples is a city full of energy, known for its vibrant streets and, of course, its world-famous pizza. As the birthplace of the margherita pizza, it's a food lover's paradise. But Naples is also the gateway to the ancient ruins of Pompeii, where the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD froze a Roman city in time. Stroll through the preserved streets and explore ancient homes and temples that offer a fascinating glimpse into the past. Beyond its history, Naples boasts stunning coastal views. From the cliffs of Posillipo to the island of Capri, the bay offers breathtaking scenery. Whether you're indulging in local cuisine or exploring ancient ruins, Naples is a city where history and modern life collide in unforgettable ways. Finally, we journey to the Dolomites, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in northern Italy, known for its jaw-dropping beauty. With towering peaks, crystal-clear lakes, and lush alpine meadows, this mountain range is a paradise for both avid hikers and those simply in search of stunning views. The Dolomites offer some of the most spectacular landscapes in all of Europe, making it an unforgettable destination for nature lovers. Beyond its natural beauty, the Dolomites also offer a rich cultural experience. The region is home to a unique blend of Italian and Austrian influences, evident in its architecture, cuisine, and traditions. Charming villages like Cortina d'Ampezzo provide a perfect base for exploring with cozy alpine chalets, hearty mountain food, and a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Whether you're skiing in winter or hiking in summer, the Dolomites are a year-round paradise. From the ancient streets of Rome to the quiet charm of the Dolomites, Italy is a country that offers something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, an art lover, a foodie, or simply someone who loves stunning views, Italy never disappoints. Thanks for joining me on this virtual journey through Italy. If you're planning a trip or if you've already been, let me know your favorite places in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming adventures. Arrivederci, and I'll see you in the next video.